What is up, guys? So, I got my live stream to be working because this time I couldn't get any messages, which was a big problem. And, well, yeah. So, we'll be playing Build a Plane. So, yeah. Yo, what's up, dude? Yo, what's up, guys? So, let me let me just go in and show my first plane. And this is my first plane. It's a lot, but let's launch. Uh-oh, I think I have to turn my graphics up a bit. Okay, let's go now. We can see what's going on up ahead. So, well, this is gonna be super laggy for me because, well, I'm live streaming on a 10-year-old computer. And, well, yeah, it's gonna get a bit hard because, well, the computer isn't made